In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a 3D puzzle effect in PS Touch. Alright guys, let's go ahead. This is going to be a very easy tutorial, but you have to follow along. So let's just click on add photo library, and there are all these images. They are available for you down in the description, so you can download. So you can, let me just click on this one, then add. Okay, so this image we created in our previous tutorial. So if you want to know how we create this kind of image, so do very free to check out this tutorial. The link will be in the description. So let's go ahead and apply a bevel effect to this. So to do so, click right here and click on bevel. Okay, so you can play with the blur and the distance as well. Okay, so let's try this blur. Once you are done, just click OK. One more thing, we click over here, click here, create an empty layer, click on done. Now we click right here, then gradient. So this is not what we want, so we click here. We're going to remove this one. You can click and drag it to the top to remove it. So why this one, we want it to be white. This one as well, we also want it to be white. And for the type, click here and then choose linear as the type. So now we're going to allow the light coming from this side. Okay, then you can click done. Now let's change the blend mode. So you click here, click on this icon. From here we can change the blend mode, change it to overlay, and that's it. So this is the before and the after. This is the before and the after. So once you are done, you click on done and you save this. So you can create multiple of them. So I've already made some, there's no need to make them again. So next thing is to click right here, and yes, one more thing, you have to save this image to your gallery. So you click here, save to gallery, click here and then OK. Done. Now let us go and import some other image. Click on photo library. So click on this icon, click on this image. The image link will be in the description, so you can check that out. So now let's add this. Okay, now let us import our cube images. So we'll click right here, click here, click on photo layer, photo library. So just keep selecting the images you want to use. I'll add this. So make it smaller, make it to fit the cubes, like so. Okay, it don't have to be exactly done. Come over here, add another one. Okay, let it not be bigger than the space. You can shuffle it. You can even put this one right here. So let's turn off snap. So click extra, turn off snap. Okay. Alright, done. So we'll keep on adding this. Okay, I'll stop at this point. Now let us export this image. So we'll click right here. We are going to turn off this first one. You can turn it off or you can simply delete it, anyone you prefer. So now let's save this. So click right here and save. So click here, save to gallery. Click here and use PNG. Click right here and then OK. Once you have successfully saved it, we'll move over to Pixellab to give it a 3D shape. So let's go to Pixellab. And here we are in Pixellab. So what you want to do first is to get rid of this text. So you click here. So what you want to do first is to get rid of this text. So you click on this icon and then delete. So next we click over here. So click on it, create, let the background be transparent. So click on this. Then next we go to image size and we make here 1920. Click on OK. Then next we're going to import our image. To do that, you click right here. You click right here and then import. So you import, it will take you to this place and then click done. So first of all, I want to change the size. So go to relative size. We'll take it to about 58. Click on done. Take it to the side. Then next we'll go to 3D. So screw and you will see 3D shape. So you click on it, click on enable. Leave the depth as 100 as 10. Then for the X rotation, make it 14. For the Y rotation, make it 5. And for the Z rotation, make it -7. Once done, you click on this. So let's go to relative position, click on this one and click on this one. Alright, now we can save. So if you save as image, save to gallery. So in some cases you might face some issue. So let me show you an example. So in some case you might face something like this where we have some some error, rendering error at the side. So if you have a problem like this, let me show you how you can fix it. So to fix that, you will come over here. So to fix that, you will click on the background once and you click on draw. So just click once, click on done, then you come over here, click on this icon, click right here, check both and then click on this. Okay, so we now have them as a mesh layer. So now if you export it, it will be just fine. Okay, now let's take a look. And as you can see, everything is perfect. It's just that this dot, don't worry, we are going to fix it in PS Touch. So now let's import this image back in PS Touch. Alright, here we are back in PS Touch. So what you want to do is to click on import and select this background image. Click on add. So now let us import our render we rendered from Pixellab. So click right here, click here, photo library, click on photo library. This is the one we rendered, and add. Okay, so first of all, let us erase this dot we added. So make sure your brush is 100%. Alright, so as you can see, this image lacks some shadows. So let's go ahead and add some shadows to it. To do so, we click right here, we duplicate this layer 3 times. Done. So let's first of all click on the bottom one, click right here, then drop shadows. So I'm going to direct it to this point. Size, but first I want to add a content shadow, so I'm going to make this one small size. Click on done. So I'm going to erase it from this side, which I don't want it. Now click right here again. This time we'll click on this one, we click right here and drop shadow. Now we can add a cast shadow. This one we can increase the distance. Okay, click on blur. Alright, so now let us erase it from this point where we don't want it. Alright, so now we can work in the blend modes, overlay, can reduce the opacity, and it's as good as done. So that's how we do it. So otherwise you want to go further and apply an overall effect. So you click right here, copy meshed, click right here and paste. So you click on done. So click on adjustment, saturation, going to increase the saturation. Done. Next I'll click on curves. No, I don't want it to be dark. Let's go to red, increase the red, take it down at the shadows. Let's go to blue, take it down at the highlight, increase it at the shadows. Green, increase it at the highlight, take it down at the shadows. So you don't have to stop here, you can keep on twinning and clicking. So for me, I'm going to stop here. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.